My name is Abby Jones, and I'm talking about the process of moving into a new space and the things that are important to remember to make that process as efficient and easy as possible. And one thing, kind of a general tip as you're unpacking each room to remember is to unpack your things first and to lay them out in the area in which they're going to be going, and then to put them away. So the idea is to unpack and then organize. And the reason for this is because then it allows you to be able to see everything that you have, and then you can look at the space that you have to put it in and kind of mentally put it in places first. So what this avoids is having to do things 2 or 3 times. You just kind of get it all out there, look at it, and then put it away.